Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be reviewing and demoing for you the Torras Diamond Clear case for the Samsung Galaxy S22 series phones. And you can see this is a perfectly clear case, diamond clear. I'm going to show you just how clear in a minute. I've got a protective film on there right now. But just so you know, this is a TPU side case with great drop protection, and then a harder crystal clear back really allows the beauty of your phone to shine through. We're going to take a look at all the features, but first let's take the crystal clear test. I'm going to hold this all the way up to my camera, and so right now you're looking at my hand through this case, and you wouldn't know you're looking through a case because it is perfectly clear, just as if that case wasn't there. But it is there, as you can see. It is just that crystal clear. Really allows the beauty of your phone to shine through. You'll see that in a minute. Real quick, I do want to point out all the corners have this nice air cushion in the corners. That along with the TPU border gives you a 6-foot military grade drop test protection, so you do not have to worry if you drop your phone is going to be protected. Those air cushions especially will provide protection on the corners of your phone, which are the most vulnerable spots. You've got all the right cutouts and stuff. And yeah, let's get this on the phone so that you can actually see it in action, because that's what you want to see. There you go. Now see, beauty of the phone. You can see the beautiful black shiny finish on that Samsung Galaxy S22 phone, just as if you didn't even have a case on there. And that's what is really special about this case. It gives you the protection you need, but it doesn't obstruct the beauty of the phone. In fact, it's so clear that it's very reflective, and you can probably see the camera and stuff in there. But that just shows you how great it is. Now this case also is non-yellowing. It has an exclusive micro diamond anti-yellow molecule, premium Germany Bayer material, and a vacuum nano coating. So it is not just built to be crystal clear when you get it, but to stay crystal clear over time with that non-yellowing finish. You do also get this nice raised bumper around your camera, so your cameras are protected. You've got a nice raised, see that? How it's raised around the front. So even if you lay your phone down flat, it's not going to touch the surface because you've got this slightly raised lip to protect the screen of your phone, which is great. Your buttons are great, easily accessible, and the button covers work great, allow you to use the buttons just as if there wasn't a cover. You've got all the perfect cutouts there on the bottom for the speaker and for your Type-C charging, and then also on the top for what I believe is the microphone on the phone. And yeah, so you've got everything you need to use your phone just as if it didn't have a cover on it, but you're protected. You're protected, you've got great protection, but also the beauty of your phone still gets to show through, and that is really, really excellent. It also is fairly slim. Case does not add a lot of bulk to the phone, so easy to grip when you've got the case on there. Definitely a beautiful and excellently made case by Torras. If you're looking for a case to give you all the protection you need, but also allow the beauty of your phone, the colors that you picked of your phone to shine through, then this is definitely the case for you. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this case, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to favorite this playlist or subscribe to my channel to keep up with future product reviews. And if you have any questions, post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.